Hey everybody, we have some exciting news. Oh, and welcome to the beginning of season 3.
Yay!
We decided that there's no better time to start season 3 than this new transition in our lives where we are moving out of our fifth wheel and moving into this thing behind us. So can you tell what this is behind us? Is it a Class A? Is it a Class C? Well, let's find out.
Let's
move this way. Ha ha! Look at that! So we are officially Class A people.
It's quite hilarious when I see Michael driving and I feel like it should be a 70-year-old.
Hey now, so if there's any Class A people in their 30s like me, just
let us know
down below that we're not the only ones who drive a Class A
it's hilarious.
In our 30s, because I do got to tell you, this is a 2004 Itasca Meridian, and just by the coloring of it, I really do kind of feel like I should be in my 60s.
Yeah.
But
we're older.
But I do not care. I do not care anymore.
We don't care.
No.
It's like we never wanted to have a minivan because that would be like way too parentish. Someday I'm getting a minivan. Past it.
We will.
I don't even care.
Yep, we're past the opinions of what people think about us anymore. we are in this for.
Oh, somebody's asking you. We have 4 kids and we cannot lie.
Yeah, interruptions happen a lot.
Okay, it's good.
Okay, so the sun's coming out, starting to get bright. We want to take you guys inside and show you what it looks like before we begin the renovation process. This is not the official tour. This is going to be a quick preview of what it looks like on the inside, and I'll do a quick preview of what it looks like on the outside. But again, this is just going to be us taking you through and showing what it looks like before we go through the renovation process. Because I don't know if you can tell, I got a little gray today.
You cleaned some of it out. His nose was white.
Yeah, so I started painting. I started painting and then realized we have not done our walkthrough, which is totally my fault because I was reminded several times by the boss.
13
times to be exact. I need to do the walkthrough tour. So here it is. We're going to take you through the walkthrough tour brought to you by Lane Loftus.
Woo! Let's go.
All right. So what do we got here, Lane Loftus?
My new home.
Woo! It's nice.
It's awesome. Listen, you got to know, before yesterday, there was like old ugly things up here. I wish we had them. Do we have a piece of one? No.
It's outside.
Anyway, you know the things that are always in RVs. And we had a little bit of debate on if we should reupholster those and put them back up. Who do you think wanted to do that? And the other one of us wanted to just rip all this out and be done with that. Who do you think that was? Anyways, to be determined. This was a nasty, ugly carpet thing that we ripped off, and we're going to paint a 2x4 or some board.
It's a 1x. We're just going to cover it with a 1x because that stuff just ripped off with the trim. Terrible. So we got to put a 1x up and paint it, but it'll look good when we're done.
Yeah. So this couch, obviously, we're not going to keep, but it's a very good couch. It's just ugly, but it's good. It's got a footrest. It pulls out into a bed. It's very comfortable. We thought about trying to get it reupholstered, but we're just in the mood to get it done. So we're going to make this our master bedroom. The one thing I said I didn't want to do, we're doing it.
Yeah.
But we're over it. Like, we're really cool with it. This is all going to be different. Am I telling them what all our ideas are or no?
Yeah, you can tell them.
Okay. So one thing we loved about our fifth wheel, like probably top 5 favorite things about the fifth wheel, was our fireplace. And we were so sad that this didn't have one. But the good thing about renovations is you can make what you want. So somehow there will be a fireplace here. We would love to not have the TV here. So all this will go. But this is really cool. I'll show you about what this is. This will be great for just, I don't even know, lots of things. It's a little table. So like I can turn around while we're driving if I don't get sick, I don't really know. And work right there. And we can do homeschool things, snacks, all kinds of stuff right there. So we will leave this and just make it look cool. And then fireplace, storage, something amazing right there. Maybe IKEA can help us out with that.
So we looked online. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but it's basically like a TV stand, but in the TV stand is the fireplace in the center, and on each side of that is like little drawers or storage spaces.
But there's a really cool one that I saw that I love, and it doesn't make sense, but I might need to get it anyways. And it's that one. It just stands on its own. It kind of looks like a
little potbelly stove.
Yeah,
looks like a little stove.
Cute. So I kind of have that in my head.
Okay, we'll see.
So anyways, we'll see. Okay. So I wanted to paint these. Michael did not, and that's okay because they're really nice. So that's all I got to say about that. This table is so cool. Whoever owned it before has created this, and I think they're awesome. I think that's very, very neat. So we're going to utilize that. Probably going to reupholster these, which seems pretty simple. And one thing we don't know. We don't know what we're doing, pretty much. So we're going to not change this layout right now because we might love it. We might love having a table, and we're just going to try this for a few months. And if we hate it, then we'll rip out the table and just do all seating like we did in the fifth wheel. We just don't know what we're going to like. Oh, one thing. We have a full-size refrigerator.
Voila! All of a sudden, there's a baby on your hip.
Do you believe in magic? Okay.
Okay.
So anyways, we were like, woo, big refrigerator, you know, because that's something a person should be excited about. But honestly, we're going to use it and we're going to enjoy it and stuff, but we were used to our little fridge. We didn't waste near as much food. So this is cool, but it's not a mess for our family. Even though, yes, we could buy 2 jugs of milk at a time, and we will do that. We like storage, so we would never have switched that out. I already showed you that, didn't I?
Yep.
Ugly.
Yeah, that's going to go.
So this
you got pantry. This is this is very nice.
This is very nice. See. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's Dad? There it goes. And we couldn't get this. Oh, show them this. We already took all the ugly hardware off, but that one we can't figure out how to get off. So you see what we're working with here, guys. I mean, it is a golden brassy disaster.
All that's getting taken off and painted.
Yeah.
My control board, everything there. Bathroom has a shower.
Yep.
No tub.
Did you see it had a seat?
Yeah, it's got a seat in it.
Did I shave my legs?
So you ladies can shave your legs.
This. Well, there's just one of us that shaves in this family so far.
That's true. I don't know why I
so
said
far.
ladies.
So that's that. Look at that solid toilet.
Our toilet. We only got one this time.
Which we're fine with.
Washer and dryer, which we actually are going to take out because we never use.
Use that for storage.
Cabinetry. Lots of cabinet space in here. Oh, I forgot to take that out.
Oh, take it. Get it.
Medicine cabinet. I'm actually quite excited about all of us sharing one bathroom and sink.
We really only need one.
Yeah, we do.
I feel like people think we're crazy when we say stuff like that. But it really is just true.
Okay.
Can I turn the lights on in here?
I think it'd be bright enough. I don't...
Oh, okay. Okay.
Anyway, so I already started painting. We're painting white, and then we're completely redoing the kids. This is a master. Queen size bed was there. Go ahead.
Well, it was just a bed in all ugliness. We built this yesterday. So we'll have Layla up here in her own room and the boys down here, and I've got ideas to make it awesome. So I'm excited about this more than anything, is to make their room great.
Right.
And we're going to cut the end of this off so they have a little bit more space out here. But honestly, what made us okay with this is we've decided we're going to invest more into outdoor living. A tent with a screen and an area rug outside and stuff like that. So that when we wake up, we go outside to play. Because we realize that we are cutting down on playtime on the inside. I'm sweating like a stone.
Yeah, it's hot in here. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys.
That's it.
So that's a quick tour of our new house that we are going to be completely renovating. And we're going to take you guys along that process and show you exactly everything that we're going to be doing.
In real time.
In real time.
So good.
This is going to be a better renovation as far as project and filming it than what our fifth wheel was, because I missed so much. But this one, we're going to show you guys, take you guys through it, And I hope you guys enjoy that. I am going to take you outside and let you see what the outside of the RV looks like. And I'm going to show them our new toy. Well, our new vehicle.
And peek at us on Instagram because I'll be giving literal moments, snippets throughout the renovation process too.
Lane does great on Instagram, always having daily stories, sometimes 10 stories in a day.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
I get story happy.
Yeah. So follow us on there if you don't already. Okay, so really quickly, this is a 2004 Itasca Meridian diesel pusher. I'm not going to go in and explain why right now, why we went with a Class A versus a Class C. I want to do a separate video just for that, but there's a lot of reasons why we chose a Class A over a Class C. But again, this is a 36-foot. The guy who owned it, he took great care of it, like always in a garage. I mean, you can tell for a 2004, the original paint is in amazing condition. What I'm also really excited about is it has an onboard generator. Just push a button, voila, we've got power whenever we're boondocking if we need it. No more breaking my back to get out the generator. Anyways, okay, and here is our new toy. This is what we're going to be towing behind the Class A. Now you're probably wondering, how is a family of 6 going to fit into a Jeep? Well, I'm going to be taking you through the process of our Jeep renovation because it's going to be extensive. It's going to be exciting, and I'm really, really excited about it. Maybe even more so than what the motorhome is. Well, I'm excited about both. The motorhome is going to provide for us a better class of transportation on travel days. The Jeep is going to provide for us a better transportation of where we really want to go, and that's off-road way back. So we're excited about both of these vehicles. The truck is sold. The fifth wheel will be gone as soon as we can get this done, which we actually really have to get done in about 4 days. We got a lot to do. So guys, thank you so much for checking out a really quick tour of our new Class A motorhome. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and we hope that you are excited about Season 3 and about the transitions that we are going to be making and following along with us on that journey. Make sure you check us out on Instagram because Lane does amazing in her daily stories. Also follow us on Facebook if you haven't done that already. We're really excited about Season 3. We can't wait to see where we're going to go, what we're going to do. We got a few ideas, but we're just ready to get moved in, and so we got a lot to do. So thanks again, guys. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.